Hey there, Scott with another TriTel tech tip. So today we're working with new Outlook and a function called My Day. To view My Day, click View, My Day, then Show. It gives you a mini calendar, your upcoming appointments, and any tasks you might have due. Not only is it handy to create a new event here by clicking New Event, or to add a new task or to-do by clicking the To-Do tab and hitting Add Task, type in task name, and hit Add. The coolest feature is you can drag and drop an email to the My Day pane and choose to add it as a task if you needed to follow up on it, or add it as an event. So if I wanted to add this email as an event, just drag it to the event, pops up, add anybody I want, set the date and time, and use the scheduling assistant on the right, and it automatically puts in the body of the email as the body of the event. Hopefully using the My Day pane will make your day less painful by making it more painful. Ready to simplify your IT? Book your no-obligation consultation now at www.tritel.com.